Oh, welcome back to another episode. Yeah, it's going to be a good one, this one. I'm quite happy with it. It's the first time that I've managed to catch, caught some fish and caught it on film, which is pretty cool. A whole bunch of other stuff in there. Yeah, from a couple of days ago, there's 2 days worth of footage on here, but the first day I only hooked one fish and I high sticked my rod, which is a no-no. This is a 2-piece rod, or it was a 2-piece rod. It's now a 3-piece rod because I high sticked the rod. I'd hooked a fish and it was quite a good one and lifted it up and broke the rod. So that's the bottom part, that's alright. This part was meant to be like that. So yeah, that's alright, my fault. Yeah, on this one, I'll put that clip in when the rod breaks, right at the beginning. And then yeah, the second day I actually did get some good fish. I got 4 fish in a fairly short session, which was good. And then went out in the bush to cook a fish on the open coals. And have one of those mud crabs I caught from the other day, so that's pretty cool too. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this one and see you on the next one.
We're loose units outdoors. Hey! Boots in the dust, hearts roaring for more. From the bush to the shore, mate, you know the score. We're loose units outdoors. Hey, loose units outdoors. Hey! Boots in the dust, hearts roaring for more. From the bush to the shore, mate, you know the score. We're loose units outdoors. Yeah!
Got a fish to throw on the fire for a bush cook later on. Phew! Not a big fish, but I'll take it. Yep, he'll be going on the fire later on. Just got to dispatch him. There's Ica Jam and Spike, where I'll put that straight through and into the brain, kills them quick, bleed them straight away. This guy's well and truly legal. Don't think YouTube likes blood and guts too much, so I won't show you too much. Remove the stomach and the gills straight away. that's it, fully processed. Put it straight in the esky with some ice. I use frozen 1.2 litre water bottles and keeps them nice and fresh, so always look after your catch. Bit better fish. I'll leave this one whole. Later on in this video I'm going to just go out to my spot in the bush, probably take on those mud crabs with me. And I've never cooked a fish straight on the fire, so I'm going to leave the guts in, everything, and just throw him straight on the coals and have him for dinner out in the bush tonight, so that'll be later on in the video. It's a bit of a tip. These things are awesome. I think I got these on eBay. They call them de-hookers or de-gorges. And yeah, they're very cheap, but that just little ring just slides down, hook it around the hook and push it down and just pop the hooks out of them. Only works for small hooks, but these ones. Another lovely little fish. I'm sort of someone's dead set snorkeling here. And they're about to get pumped out. It's not safe out there, eh? No, not at all. There's big waves smashing through here, eh? Fucking snorkeling. I'm not going in after you. Yeah, so I can see the blackfish rolling. I've got Polaroids on there. Absolutely, you need them. So I was sort of like drifting around, and I could see a school of fish rolling. They were down feeding, and you can see them come on their sides, and you see the silver flanks of the fish. So yeah, there's a group of just out behind those rocks out there, so I'm able to target them. So. Oh, me and Sam are in the bush, walking in to have a cook up. I'm going to cook that blackfish and eat that mud crab. So we're just heading off to our spot and yeah, get a fire going. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Oi. Come on. What are you doing? Sam, come here. No, he's not listening. Oh, I love being out in the bush. Hey Sam. Fire going. I'll don't have to do a big fire for the fish, I don't think, but I do need a bit of coal because it's not like a tiny fish, so. Still had some wood left here from cooking up the crab the other night. Hopefully I get this done before the sun goes down. I was thought I bought everything except for a torch. So I do have the light on the phone, I suppose. So I'm just going to get this fire going. Well, the fire's going. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, and just burn it down. I'll put a fair bit of wood on it just to get some good coals. And yeah, once the coals have burnt down or the fire's burnt down, I've got a good coal base. I'll come back and show you what's going on. So I just thought that while that fire's burning down, I'll show you how to clean these mud crabs. That's one of the ones that I got yesterday. So all you have to do is, see that carapace latch? You lift that up, take the carapace off, get rid of all the gills. There's a lot of gills and gunk in there. Take those off, so that's split in half. And that's it. You got rid of the carapace and all the bits and pieces in there. So that's done. Then you just crack the claws and that brown stuff, what they call crab caviar. Beautiful. I'm ready to eat. The fire's burning away. fish here that I caught today. It's ready to go. A lovely big blackfish is there. That's ready to go. Put that on the table. So yeah, that'll be dinner for tonight. So crab's ready there, and the fish is ready to go on the fires once in the coals once this fire's burnt down. So actually getting hungry now. So just looking at this, you know, I'm getting keen for a feed. So I'll catch you when this fire burns down. Okay, this fire looks ready to go. There's a few bits on there still burning, but I'm just gonna push them off. I've got a good coal base going. Just got to get that fire down. These logs are probably going to smoke a bit, but that's all right. I've got a good coal base going there. Hot. Need a longer pokey stick. Pokey stick. Yeah, good coal base going there. I don't want any burnies in there. Get rid of that. So yeah, that's a nice looking coal base. And all I do is I'm going to put the fish straight on without trying to burn myself. Burny. Yeah, fish straight there in the coals. Okay. Get his head away from there. So that's it. Probably leave him there for I don't know, maybe 10 minutes each side, and yeah, I'll come back to it when I'm ready to flip him. Okay, I'm going to turn this guy, and I'm going to stir these coals up a bit. That's a bit cold there. Put them out. Let's put these coals in just to make sure I've got some good heat in there. These guys in. Get it nice and flat. There we go. Other side. It looks a bit mank. That's the way it's meant to look. That skin will just peel off. Okay. Yeah, I just love it out here, man. Just being out in the bush. Sometimes I think that I was probably born 20,000 years too late, I reckon. Just love hanging out in the bush, cooking on the fire, camping, fishing, boating stuff. Pretty much everything this channel's about, you know. Just love it. And obviously, what I'm doing here, this would have been the traditional way of cooking fish too. When the local people here, indigenous people, speared fish, they'd just drop it straight on the fire like this. And I'm not doing anything fancy with this. It's just no salt and pepper, no lemon. You could do that if you want to. I was thinking about it, but I honestly couldn't be bothered. Yeah, but it looks good. Yeah, I don't know how long that'll take, probably another 5 or so minutes, so yeah, I'll be back when it's ready to come off. That fish looks good. I'm going to take it off and try to get it in one bit. Put it up on the table. So I've got my blackfish and the mud crab. Not a bad life this, I tell you. Going to have a bit of a taste test here and see what we're working with. What do you reckon, Sam? You on some too? Okay. Yeah, so like I said, this skin here will just come off, just peel away, hopefully. Might be use a finger's job. Look at that. Look at that meat under there. Beautiful. Scales are all cooked. Look at that, meat just pulls straight off. And there we have it. Look at all that meat. Beautiful. I reckon Sam will get into this too. Let's have a try. It's been undercooked. Oh well. Wow. That's good. I did undercook it. Oh well. I'll take this home and I'll wrap it up in alfoil and cook the rest. That's beautiful. Could have cooked it for longer. This belly meat should be right. Meat down here. Very nice. Still salty, hey, I think it keeps its saltiness, but yeah, very good. That's a shame. There's a lot of meat under that I didn't cook. I thought it was in there for long enough, man, but I'll have to do it in there double that time next time. Yeah, no, it's very nice. Sam, you want some? Want some? Yeah. Sam loves fish. He pretty much eats what I'm eating when we're in the bush, no matter what it is. Nice chunk there. Have a look at this mud crab. See, I just love being a fisherman, outdoorsman. I mean, look at this. Beautiful fresh fish, mud crabs. A mud crab claw here. Yeah, what a life, eh? That lovely little bit of meat in there. Yum-o. Yum-o. Oh, so good. See what Sam reckons about some of this crab meat. Hey, what do you reckon? That's good? You want more? Of course you do. Okay, well, burning my boot. That'll leave it for this video. Yeah, well, see you on the next one. I'm not sure what it's going to be about. I'll probably do a bit more gear review and that sort of stuff, but yeah, glad you all joined me for this one, and I'm going to finish my dinner and we'll see you on the next one.